this video, we're going to go through the process of creating a new personnel record as well as granting them access to log into StationBoss. To get started, go ahead and get logged in by visiting stationboss.net. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the Personnel tab. From there, select Create Personnel at the very top right. We will start off by giving a name. You have several optional fields here. None of these are required. Date of birth, driver license, state, start date, all that, none of that is required. The only fields that are required are going to be the assigned station field, the unit number, and then you can fill out email. The phone number is also required in order to receive the text messages. And then we're going to go ahead and move over to the Access Control tab here. Go ahead and check the CAN login, assign a 4-digit quick PIN number, and then you can assign permissions. In order to set up custom access control templates, you'll need to select the Create Access Control. Other than that, you are able to give full access by selecting System Administrator. For this use case, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the Create Access Control template. Give it a name. If you select yes on full access, then none of these here will matter because it will override it. Other than that, let's say you want to give access to personnel. We're going to go and find the personnel drop down. You can select read only. What that's going to do is give the individual user the ability to see personnel, but they won't be able to actually make adjustments to the account. The only exception is if that user is logged in, they can make adjustments to their own account to a certain extent. They cannot change things such as their access control and whatnot. They can, however, update things like their phone number. Now that we've created the access control template, we're going to go ahead and click on the one that we just created, and then go to the save and hit the save button, should I say. So our email is required. Once you hit that save button, you're able to now send a text message containing the login information automatically. To do this, you need to click on the 3 dots to the right of the edit button and then click the send access info. It will send a text message providing them a link to download the app as well as their credentials. Now, if you need to turn somebody's account access off, maybe they're terminated or whatnot, click the edit button. If you change their status to anything other than active, it's going to remove their access to the account anyhow. But if you want to just disable their account, you can click the CAN login, and then when you go back, you're going to see the quick PIN is gone and they no longer are able to access the system.